Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Power, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint. So to get started, we need to open up the Settings app. From Settings, let's navigate into Security and Location, and you will see Fingerprint right here. So tap on it, tap on Next. And before we can actually set up a fingerprint, we need to have an alternative way of unlocking the device, and you have a choice between PIN, pattern, or password. I'm gonna choose pattern for this example. Tap on Yes. And now I need to draw the pattern. Tap on Next, redraw the same pattern once more to confirm it. And then I get to scan my fingerprint. So I'm just gonna start pressing it on the back. And there we go. Tap on Done. And now if I lock the device, I will be able to either unlock it with the pattern that I have set, like so, or with the fingerprint, like so. So that is how you would add a fingerprint. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.